Hello.
Hi, sir.
I'm Deputy Chambers with the Vladimir County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, hi, how you doing?
Do you know the reason I stopped you?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had...
How fast do you think you were going?
40?
Don't even. 50.
What, 50?
50 and a 30.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I need to see your license, registration,
Yeah,
and proof of
here's the
insurance.
registration of your license. I'm so sorry.
First part is I think you ran that stop sign as well because you didn't even see me sitting there. Didn't you?
I was going down, I was looking at this thing.
Oh, so
I got this here.
You were
sir.
looking at your dash while doing 50 miles an hour.
I was trying to get it out of... Okay, it's in sport mode. I was trying to get it... I just got this thing, okay, sir?
Sir, I
I'm so
literally
sorry.
saw you run the stop sign,
I'm sorry.
make a left turn,
I'm sorry, sir.
and then hop on the gas. I was sitting right at the intersection.
I'm so sorry, sir.
So your excuses...
I saw a
are
car
not-
coming, and I...
You didn't, because I was sitting right there.
Well,
I
saw
saw
a car
everything.
coming, and I wanted to get out before them.
And then you dropped on the gas
I know,
and took
I know.
off.
I'm so sorry, sir.
I need to see your insurance card, please.
Oh. You got the registration?
Yeah, there was no reason for that at
I
all.
know,
I
I
would
know.
put people's lives into safety
I
and
know. I
everything.
just found out, I'm trying to tell you the truth, guy. I just found out that Putin is just said he's going to launch nuclear thermal war against the world. I was trying to get back to my house to find out what's going on. I'm freaking out here, guy. Okay? I got people in the Ukraine. They just sent me the insurance card, too.